What's up everyone, it's Lee here, the bartending photo boothing rental guy, and today we're gonna put some decals onto one of my photo booths. So let's get into it. But we're actually making these decals from scratch. We're going out and we're buying a Cricut, which is a vinyl cutter slash printer. So now we can start printing decals for everything. Everything includes
vehicle decals, photo booths, wedding signs, you name it, we're doing it now.
I'm with my wife Jen, the bartending photo boothing rental girl, and today we're gonna go pick up a Cricut. You're probably like, oh yeah, Cricut, but honestly this thing is a beast, so stay tuned, right?
Stay tuned.
Come on.
You're in the wool aisle.
Oh yeah, sorry, I got something else in mind too.
Cricut's here. There's some cool little tin and wood. Check out these wood rounds here. Those are kind of cool. So the wife is working hard, or the bartending photo boothing rental girl is working hard making some crafts, and I'm going to make her make me vehicle decals, photo booth stickers. How do you feel about that? Oh yeah, where were we before I started rambling about where we got this Cricut? Oh yeah, right here.
So guys, today we're gonna put some decals onto one of my photo booths. So
Let's get into it. Now all you have to do is find your image on Google and make sure and remove the background and add anything you need into it. Okay, so now that I found my image on Google and saved it, I'm just gonna take it into a program, an app on my phone called Background Erase, and I'm just gonna remove the white background, make it transparent. So when you do that, you're transforming it into a PNG file. There's a program, an app for the phone that comes with your Cricut that you just put the image into it and then it will print from there. So I'm gonna take that image and I'm gonna put it inside the Cricut program. This is the part where you consult a pro, just in case, so you're not doing it wrong. Hey honey,
What?
will you help me make a decal for my photo booth?
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Cleaning up.
Okay, good talk.
Doing that.
Okay, so it's flashing now, so now it wants us to put our paper in. Okay, so we're gonna do the
And
decal.
you're just doing like a small one, right?
Yeah, exactly, just on the front of the photo booth, just a 3x2. So that's Oracle vinyl, right?
Yeah.
What number is it? 651?
651.
651, so that's like the outdoor
No, this-
permanent,
Yeah.
the permanent vinyl adhesive.
And then we just peel back this.
Okay, and that's a sticky mat, right?
This mat is
Sticky.
super dirty
Okay.
and sticky.
And then just start printing. And now you took the transfer paper there. That's
Yeah.
like the paper that you put on.
First, we need to peel. Curtains.
Oh yeah, the dental pick.
Yeah.
Okay, so you're putting the transfer paper on top of it now.
Mm-hmm. Ta-da!
Awesome. Perfect. All right, let's go do a whole bunch more photo booths now.
How's it look?
Looks fantastic. Oh yeah, look at that. We just leveled up. And that was what? How much worth of materials? Probably like $1?
Yeah,
Not even?
yeah.
Like 50 cents?
Wow. wash this thing with like warm water,
Yeah.
all the fuzzies come off.
It just scrapes off that mat?
Yeah.
Cool.
And then we'll just put this back on.
Do you want to show everyone what you made today?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go check it out.
Ta-da!
Oh yeah. That's pretty cool right there. So you've watched my videos before and you know I'm really trying to push my wife to be a part of the business by making flowers and decor. And so us getting this Cricut machine is just gonna level us up so that we can do some more custom vinyl, custom decals. Stay tuned, I'll be making a decal for all of my vehicles, for my new van, for my old van. P.S. We're naming my new van Gorthballion with 2 L's, not like the Gorthballion with 1 L, with 2 L's. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure and sub to the channel. Smash that like button. Smash that like button if you like seeing the photo boothing rental girl inside my videos. And maybe she'll make more appearances. All right, you stay classy.